What is it about strategic planning? There are few, if any, business systems that cause more heartache than strategic planning. Why? Is it that plans are flawed? Do leaders just ignore their role? Are resources mismanaged? Or is it something else that causes even the best strategic plans to hit roadblocks? Well, for every organization, just like their strategic plans are unique, so are their challenges. However, here are 5 of the biggest roadblocks you face when designing your strategic plan and 5 strategies to blow past them. Number 1, just too complicated. I am working with a brand new client updating their strategic plan, and the main reason they wanted to work together is because in the last 5 strategic plans they have developed, not one has been fully implemented, and few have come close. When I got in to try to figure out why, the answer hit me immediately. Their plans are too complicated. There are more than 12 strategic goals with long, very involved action plans and very lofty long-term goals. Just looking at it made me feel overwhelmed. You have to remember to keep your strategic plan simple. Ensure you have no more than 5 short-term goals. 3 is better. And that your actions and steps are doable. The smaller you break down the long-term goals, the more progress you will make. Number 2, you have no plan for your plan. Strategic plans need structure if they are going to be activated. Once your plan is complete, you need to create a plan of how you are going to implement it. And number 3, your strategic plan will fail if you have the wrong people on the bus. Who you assign to the teams is critical in ensuring that you make progress on your strategic plan. And most importantly, if you want your strategic plan to succeed, then ensure there is ownership at the top, the very top of your company. Number 4, your plan is too rigid. The one thing we can guarantee about your strategic plan is that while you are trying to implement it, everything will change. Your competition, your customers, the economy, and the list goes on. If you have not built in the ability to flex and change your strategic plan, being able to adjust to take advantage of new opportunities or shift to avoid a threat, then your strategic plan will fail because it is too rigid. And last but not least, number 5, not being honest. The great thing about a strategic plan is that it is, for the most part, an internal document. It's for you and your team to use, and you do not have to reveal it to anyone else but you. So that gives you the perfect opportunity and cover to be gut-wrenchingly honest. Honest about your challenges, honest about your weaknesses, and honest about the goals you want to set and what you will need to do to get there. But if you're not honest when building your strategic plan, then you will not be acting on the information you need to make the plan effective. I hope this information is helpful as you build your strategic plan. We've covered what to avoid, what to do, and just how to do it. All in all, you should be far better positioned to be among that small percentage of strategic planners that succeed.